was so much fun hanging out with the McAllen team and the David Carson artwork that he did for the collaboration with McAllen. I actually really enjoy seeing some of old friends, being able to hang out, bit of partying, if you can call it that, and just catching up with old folks. I thought I was actually going to be alone at this event, so it's good to see that some of my friends were there. Always a pleasure seeing the boys, the homies, and the ladies. Of course, there were some female friends who were also there. But today I'm going to do some tidying around the house. Then I'm leaving to go and do an ECG to make sure all of my organs and everything is up to scratch, because I'm taking some new medication, so I just want to make sure that everything is good. And then I'm going to take you guys to Joyu, which is a wine bar where I've been working for the last 2.5 months. It's a natural wine bar that does amazing food. They do some amazing natural wines from all around the world. And this wine bar has a special place in my heart, because when I was having a difficult time, with anxiety and a number of other things, these guys took me under their wing, showed me the natural wine industry, showed me how to be confident again. So I've been learning quite a lot there, and they feel like family. So I'm gonna take you guys there before they open. So you're gonna see a quiet bar. I just want you to see the amount of wines and the aesthetic of the place, and just so you have an idea as to what I get up to in my spare time when I'm not creating content like this, So I actually do have another job that I really love, and it involves socializing with people, meeting new people, lots of talking to new people, which is what I don't usually do when I'm working on my own. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. Today we're gonna take the train into central London, where I'm gonna do my ECG, and let this continue. I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is new for me. I don't usually stand and talk in front of the camera like this, but it's something I want to do more, to document more of my life, so I can also have it for myself, but also to share with people, and also to continue to build a community online. I'm beginning to have a bigger and better community off the internet, and I would like to have one on the internet. Not just a place where people come and like my photos and I do some advertisement here and there. A place where we can actually have discussions and conversations. I can tell you guys things that I'm going through and what I've learned after opening up here on the internet over the last couple of days, is that a lot of people are actually feeling lonely also. So it's not just me. And a lot of people have come forward and comfort me in a way by reminding me that I'm not alone, right? So I am enjoying this part of creating, I think, and I'm going to continue to do it over the next couple of months, for at least the next 6 months. So yeah, I just want to say that, and I also want to say thank you. Honestly, thank all of you who watch these little snippets, these little videos, and those of you who have reached out. I really appreciate it, honestly. Especially those of you who know that I'm going through a difficult time. Alright, let's do it. hype. So you guys are probably wondering, what am I doing here? And I haven't said this to anyone, but I am planning to move to Lagos, Portugal, right here, this small town, for at least 3 months. Gonna be on my own. I'm not. I'm here with the boys. So we out here. Got my boy Cali with me. Got a lot of errands to run today. I'm still on this iPhone and I need to get my iPhone repaired. So we're gonna go to the Apple store for my appointment in 20 minutes. We can't take an Uber because I don't even have Uber on this phone. So just got back from the Apple store and there's nothing they can do to fix my phone. I have to buy a brand new phone, which means I'm also stuck with this.
And I wanted to put art and good music and conversation at the forefront of that. So that's what you can expect over the next 5 weeks. We've got DJ parties, we've got live music, and we've got conversations as well right across the board. But tonight is all about showcasing some of my favourite artists that I have been listening to for my very self and that I'm a fan of as well. So we're going to have 2 performances tonight, and I'm going to do a little closing DJ set as well. I want to thank you all for spending your Wednesday night with us. And can we give a big round of applause to Shiv and Shara, who's going to step up first and show us his delicate sound, because his part-time DJ goes hard, but when he's on stage as a singer-songwriter, he's got a really beautiful, wonderful side to him, Indian, Irish heritage. You hear that in his music. He's been grinding, doing it a lot himself.